Let's just get right to it. Let's bring up our Friday night headliners are here every Friday night. Let's have them join me. Seagull related fish fight.
Everybody, we are Seagull related fish fight. I'm Melissa.
I'm Jimmy.
I don't know.
John.
Tom.
Chris.
Bagley.
Brad.
Alright, awesome. We're gonna do some improv for it. All we need to get started is the name of an object. Yeah, you raised your hand so nice.
That's so polite. Wow.
Peanuts.
Peanuts.
Yes.
Peanuts.
We zoom in on a bag of ballpark peanuts.
They're in the shells.
They're extra salty.
There's a whole bunch of peanut flakes at the bottom of the bag.
Also, a bunch of those like tiny little peanut Santa heads too. They're on the bottom.
If you looked at the bottom corner of the bag, there's a slight tear, and there's one nut that's just kind of hanging out, ready to fall, but it hasn't fallen yet.
It looks like you can tell whoever tried to open the bag got really frustrated because when they opened it, they tore it a little bit extra.
There's a peanut weevil crawling around in here.
On the front of the bag, there's a cartoon elephant that's the mascot for the peanuts.
And along the top of the bag, it's red and white as if it's the top of a circus tent along the top.
Oh.
Following the peanut weevil is his family.
The tiny weevil's luggage.
And the weevil mom's carrying a little tiny parasol.
And the father weevil has a little miner's cap on with a light on the front.
And his name's Frank, for the record.
And the youngest weevil child has a cute little weevil blanket over his shoulder.
That's adorable.
Mama Weevil and the Daddy Weevil and the Baby Weevils all had a great day at the circus. Ready for bed yet, Rich?
No.
Well, weevil.
I've read the Weevil family series of books to you 3 times now. There's only 8 books.
Why?
I don't know. I'm not the author of the book series, Rich. I'm just the person who gives him money so I can read his stories. Do you want to try maybe a new book series, or...?
No, I want the weevils to go to Europe.
Whoa, I know I've taken commissions before, but that's just crazy.
Listen, Mr. Silverstein, look, I adore your work, but you've got to add something to the canon.
Shell, my baby, we gotta make some money here, all right? It's been a long time.
Not gonna do it.
I'm just saying, things have been drying up.
Yeah, you know what? I'm okay with that. I
Giving
got my
tree
art
is
out
not
there.
as giving.
How about Where the Sidewalk Ends, Then Keeps Going? It's a sequel. They want more, baby.
Let's get you back advertising for Playboy, huh? Come on, illustrate for Playboy again. That's a deep cut, Silverstein. Get you back, illustrate for Playboy cartoons, just so you know.
I'm your biggest fan, and this is gonna hurt me as much as it hurts you.
You just got it? Good.
Yeah.
I've already started the scene. So yeah.
We're doing the next scene.
Tom, go ahead with your scene.
Yeah, time work.
Hey, Bagley's mirroring.
Oh, nice.
I haven't seen Bagley yet.
Check in with your scene partner.
Whoa!
Sideline work.
Somebody's bad.
Boy, work really sucks.
Yeah!
Wow,
Work
establishing
sucks.
a relationship.
The work that we've done together for 20 years sucks, Paul.
What have I done with my life? I need to do something completely opposite.
You in the audience is wondering what the work is.
Oh, I still got some tar on
Whoa,
my
whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh, why
Let
did
him
you-
wonder. I love you.
Brad, this is called going meta.
I love you too.
If you don't wipe, I'm gonna kiss him.
Well, Mr. Weevil will be arriving, and you got to get his tea ready. You want to shine up his parasol as well.
Okay. Earl Grey?
Yes, of course. It's the Father Weevil.
What's with the hat?
What's with the hat?
It's annoying. When somebody looks at me, I go blind for a minute.
He's very highly ranked in his religion. They have special hats for their ranking. The bigger, the more extravagant the hat, the bigger the ranking.
Okay.
It's a trend.
How do you do today, Elizabeth, Jonathan? Wonderful day we're having. Would you please take my hat for me? It's ever so heavy. Oh, that's a load off the old neck. I smell Earl Grey. Yes,
Oh,
yes,
don't bump
yes.
the tray.
Oh, sorry. Oh, pardon me. I'm just so little wobbly after having that on my head all day.
Of course, of course.
Oh, and you shine my parasol just the way I like it.
Well, hello.
Your Excellency.
It's a great elephant. It's a great elephant. We gotta put it on something. I don't know what, but we gotta put it on something. That's an elephant that'll sell anything in time.
I want to buy that wall.
Right?
I want to buy the dry erase board it's on. You know, why don't you draw some characteristics on the dry erase board for that elephant?
What's that?
Draw, I don't know, a hat or something on there.
Oh, I thought you were talking about like interpersonal characteristics of the
Draw the sexual women on that.
Hot off the presses. They're gonna sell 1 million Johnson's Extra Loud Dry Erase Markers. With Bilbo the Elephant as our mascot.
I never thought we'd get to this day.
Guys, I just had an idea. They're jumbo markers.
Write it down.
I know you're sad about leaving your boyfriend, but
Really sad.
I got a missed call from you on my. Oh.
this was a surprise. It's all right. We knew you missed your boyfriend, so we invited him for the weekend.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here.
The whole long weekend.
That's true.
Yeah.
Hey.
And 4th of July's on a Tuesday, so it's a 4-day weekend.
That's just the kind of great parents we are.
Yeah.
Anyway,
I'm gonna be around.
we'll leave you two alone.
Great.
Yeah, really. Oh, and feel free to use the only guest bedroom for the 2 of you.
Yeah.
We're cool with it.
Yeah, we're just hip modern parents.
Thanks, Mom and Dad.
No problem.
Hey, we'll see you at the water balloon toss.
Cool.
Family tradition!
Yeah. Shirts are optional.
Family tradition!
Not for you.
Wink, family, just saying.
Just
You seem to be so connected to you.
You know, there's weather outside, huh? Wow.
Is it cool weather?
I'm not sure.
I'll go look at it.
Yeah, why don't you go check it out at home?
But the weather at home is different than the weather.
Did you listen to the voicemail I left you, or?
No. I was like,
No,
oh,
you
I'm gonna
just-
see her in like 5 hours when I drive to her parents' house. So
Okay, so you just, yeah.
yeah. You know, it's like you get the call, but you're gonna see the person in the next.
Yeah. So
like,
why am I not listening? Yeah, I mean, it transcribes it for you on your phone. You can just read the text of the voicemail. You can just read. Yeah.
No, I didn't.
What if you took a drive and then just checked the voicemail?
Yeah?
Yeah, before you unpack the car.
I'm not gonna miss the water balloon fight.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I don't know, but like I drove 5 hours to be here, so
Oh, yeah.
I don't really want to go for another drive.
Yeah.
My driving leg.
Yeah, your driving leg.
You know, it's like-
Oh, yeah, it's swelled up now just
That's
all
all
of a sudden.
swelled up. I gotta
Yeah.
take the socks off.
Yeah. I mean, I saw you lapping around before, then now you're just sort of... kind of just came on. Once we started to have this confrontation.
I've been hurt the whole
Okay.
time. Look,
Yeah.
swollen.
Still got some weather out there, huh?
Tell me about it. I'm hurting.
Yeah. Yeah, it just comes on like that, huh, for you.
No.
Oh.
Son, you can never listen to that message. You go to her parents' house today, you never listen to that message.
Okay, Dad.
You know how your mother, we haven't seen her for 10 years?
Yeah.
We're still married.
Yeah.
So he's outside.
Best water balloon thrower in the family.
What a great
How do
family.
you do that?
Oh, just follow through with your elbow and your hand.
Did you see the air rider? Did
so
you see that
well.
plane drive by with the banner? Did you see that?
Oh, we were having a
We're water balloon.
I didn't see it.
Don't look up.
Come on. 5-minute smoke break. Come on.
Carl, I hate to be a stickler, but we have a very strict 500 feet away from the building, no smoking policy at this Arby's.
Look, you know how seriously I take this job. But like, you know, if I were to go further out, I get hit by a car. Hey.
It's fake.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah.
You're good.
Wait, what?
Yeah, Gary's okay, it's vaping, it's okay. It's not smoking.
It's not smoking.
Yeah. Now, Carl, I'm gonna need you to get at least 500 feet away
Carl,
from
that is
from the
gross. You
building.
really gotta look on.
It's affecting my lungs.
Well, so, wait. I don't understand. I don't understand why vaping is fine.
It's just
It's just...
Bless Father Weevil.
All glory and praise.
What? He can stay here? I have to go 500 yards out?
If you don't watch your tone, I'll make it 600, Carl.
Tone?
You're getting so good at that, Stephen.
Kidding me?
We're switching to wood-fire grills at this particular Arby's. We have to...
This is a hazard. This is hazardous.
The only thing that's hazardous, Carl, is your attitude and your disregard for the health of our lungs in this establishment.
boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Now, if that was a doobie, I'd be totally okay with it.
I'm a health inspector.
Finally!
Are you smoking?
What?
Put that frickin' thing on!
What? Should I put it in the bonfire? Is that where I should put this?
I am not talking about that. You are smoking. That is death.
This is for smoke signals. Who are you sending smoke signals?
We zoom in on the cigarette. Come on back.
It's filtered.
It's menthol.
It's a bit of ash, just mid-fall.
Black lipstick on the filter.
Oh.
2 gold stripes right at the end of the filter.
Yeah. It's
got a like diagonal, like crisscrossing pattern on the white part of the paper. It looks kind of like DNA.
It's a cigarette of wisdom, and that whoever smokes it gains wisdom.
Oh. It belongs in a long cigarette holder, but it's not in one for some reason.
At the very tip, there's a tobacco weevil poking his head out.
His name is
Morning, Pappy.
Morning, kid. Clem didn't come home last night again.
Clan's out sowing oats. And not about like figuratively, not.
Oh, I know that boy of mine, handsome devil.
Look, we've been coming to the same general store, porch, every day for 20 years.
Pickles?
To share pickles. And I just want to do something completely different. I love you.
Why, Jed, this is so sudden.
If they don't whop, I'm gonna kiss you.
I didn't notice you left one of your overalls unsnapped. That's rather fetching.
All the better to entice you with, so nobody's gonna whop.
Go for it, Clem!
No, you offered it.
Express your love!
They haven't kissed yet.
They haven't kissed yet.
I like the length of the cigarette holder.
Rutherford, that is the most distinguished cigarette holder I've ever seen in my life. It looks like you could herald the angels with it.
Do you have a small wheel that could go on the other end? Transport it myself.
Why, Rutherford, I believe I have just the wheel.
Oh, Reginald. There's a reason you're my tobacconist.
You're my best customer, Reginald. Rutherford.
Did you just refer to yourself as your best customer?
Well, it's about time I came clean. I really only own this store as a front because I'm so addicted to tobacco that I needed to keep my supply around me at all times. I think I've only ever sold things to you, and I just smoke the rest myself.
Would you look at that as a small compartment with cigarettes already in it?
I don't know if you heard me quite clearly.
Do you have a light?
Of course I do. It's an extendable grill lighter.
I appreciate it.
Is it working for you?
Yes. Again, what were you saying?
Oh, we see one of the smoke rings he blew out as a heart.
Yeah.
Well, I was saying that this entire storefront is just a sham, really. It's just an excuse for me to surround myself with tobacco and frankly, you. I know it took a while for the smoke to actually reach your lungs. And that's well, yes, I know you fancy a good tobacco, and I perchance thought maybe you might fancy a tobacconist every once in a while. It's in the air, everyone's doing it. And I thought, why not? It's on the wind. Perchance you could fetch my extra long night.
Reginald, are you nervous?
A little.
I'm afraid I've exposed myself too much, and well, I'm just a little shy, is all.
But you're a tobacconist. What do you have to be shy about?
Certainly not my love of tobacco and tobacco-related products, but perhaps my love for you. I'm sorry. I believe I was pretty thick with the context here.
Yeah, Tina, they don't like us because we're too goth for them.
Oh my freaking God.
Oh, my freaking God is dead, more like.
That is so quotable. What?
You suck extreme. Other races are wet and you're a dry race. Thank you.
I don't know. Kids these days they're using this elephant to tattoo themselves. We need a brand new idea.
What? Sorry, I was trying to concentrate on what you were saying, but I just couldn't hear you.
I said that this elephant has led to the destruction of the millennial kid.
Well, we've got to stop selling them.
We've got to stop.
What? Sorry, it's just every time you do that, it's like grating. It's. I want to help. I really want to help. I do.
Hey, what's up? This is Dubface, and I'm about to do the marker eating challenge. Be sure to click subscribe and like and tell your friends that, hey, maybe they can beat my record of 5 markers at once. Here we go.
Mark, you doing one of your YouTubes? Just press pause. Sorry.
I can't press pause. I'm live streaming.
Do you want some grilled cheese and
Yes,
some
of course I want some grilled cheese and fluff.
Hey, what's up? My name's Jeff, and I'm going to do the crushed up chalk challenge where I eat a tablespoon of crushed up blackboard chalk and see if I can swallow it all in 30 seconds. Watch.
Hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning into my channel. This is gonna be I got a whole bunch of tobacco weevils, and I'm gonna eat all of them.
like.
Tiny luggage, tiny luggage,
And then the Weevil family got swallowed live during the stream, and it had the most YouTube likes anybody ever got in a YouTube video ever. All right, Rich, you ready for bed now?
Oh no, I'm scared.
That's our show!